Hello everyone, welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. I wanted to show you what I had done with the Mintay Chippies that I had shown you in the previous video of me when I had already painted them. So first off is going to be the snowflakes, because there were two of these, but all of them are embellished the same. So this is the snowflake, and this one was the easiest because I painted the entire thing white. And I took some of the Dollar Tree branches with glitter, the glittered branches, and I cut off some of the little branches and I glued them on. And I made a double loop bow with this cord, red cord that I had. I put a row of bling going all around the ornament, and then I used a half of a filler glitter ball. I just cut it in half and glued that to the middle, and then I put a white ribbon as the hanging element. So they all have some kind of sparkle to them, and they all have the bling going around them. So I just thought, wow, what a difference, right? From the original product to an ornament. So these are my snowflakes, and I just think they turned out so cute. And guys, these were really quick to make. After you paint it, you just gotta glue some stuff on there and you are done. Your hanging element, you don't have to drill a hole and use a jump ring. You can just thread it through the empty, the ring here. You can thread your element through the ring and just tie it that way. But I wanted a ring on there because I wanted a ring. I mean, that's all there is to it. I wanted a ring. So anyway, those are my snowflakes. Up next is the angel playing the trumpet. And again, they're all, the same, except some of them have some color and some of them are just all white. Now for the angel, I chose not to color her head, her feet, or her hands. But other than that, it's got her dress is colored. And again, I used the distressed inks. So I was able to, put some color into them, and I just used my finger daubers for the smaller areas. So there is the angel, and then up next is the ho ho ho. So here is the ho ho ho, and again, all I did was give it a just some sparkle with the stickles, and the letters pop very well that way. I really like that. And then is Santa on his sleigh, and I did stickle his hat, and I just did the outline of the sled, and I colored the sled as well. But that's all I did to Santa. And then the tree is right here. So the tree, I did put several colors in the tree just to make it just give it a little more interest. And I used the stickles for the base of the tree and the stars. And then again, it's got the branches and everything else. I thought about using some glossy accents on some of these, but I think I'm just gonna leave them like this. Up next is our, what do you call it? An elk? I don't know what this is, a deer. The deer head. Anyway, so what I did for this one was I put stickles right in the center of the berries to make them red, and then that's all I did to him, and he was already painted that color. So there he is right there. And the reason that I used gold and silver was because, guys, I'm still not sure what I'm going to do for Christmas, whether it's going to be pink, whether it's going to be traditional, gold, silver, I don't know. So I thought, well, hey, why not just use both colors? And then up next is Santa himself. Here he is. I did stickle his entire hat. Oh, I was going to put a pom-pom at the end of his at the end of his hat. So I'm going to do that before I put these up. As probably as soon as I finish this video, I'm going to go ahead and put a pom-pom for the ball of his hat. And again, I just stickled him up. I didn't do the eyes, but I stickled him up, and he just looks so cute. And then the very last one is this guy right here. I think from all of them, I think this is my favorite. I think I just put different shades into the tree just because I wanted to look, I didn't want it all the same color. And I put different shades in there, the different greens, the, I believe I used brushed corduroy for this one, or fossilized amber. Yeah, no, I used brushed corduroy. And then I went over it with other colors, you know, a couple of other colors. One of them was the red, and then a darker, maybe vintage photo. But anyway, I think this guy is my favorite. I really think so. Okay, guys, so here are the 9 ornaments that I have made out of the Mintay Chippies. Like I said, I think this guy is my favorite. But you tell me which one you like the best. You know, it's between him and the tree, actually. But I really think it's him. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I know it was a short video, but I wanted you to hopefully get some ideas, be encouraged to use some of the Mintay Chippies because they really are a lot of fun to work with. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you later. Y'all have a great day, guys.